The list contacts in the category page is going to show all of the published contacts in a specific category, and these are obviously separate from article categories. So on this page, we need to give our menu item a title. You can leave the alias blank and let the system fill it in. We can give ourselves a note. It's the link that's going to be generated. We need to set the status, the access level, the menu location. What menu are we putting this link in? Does it have a parent item? And again, once it's saved, we can then order it within that. So once you set this stuff, you can click save real quick and it'll bring you back to this page, and you can just set the ordering then. We need to set a target window. The default page we'll ignore. Go ahead and read the tooltip, the language and the template style here for this specific link. Then we need to select the category from our contact categories. And the category options here, these options are also used when you click on one of the category links on the first page and or thereafter, unless they're changed for a specific menu item. So we want to go ahead and edit these things. Go ahead and read the tooltips on these carefully. We can set these any way we want. Do we want to show the description, the category image, the category title, any subcategory levels? Do we want to show empty categories or not? Subcategory descriptions, the number of contacts in the category, and then our list layouts, what they're going to look like. So again, read these here. These options are also used when you click on one of the category links. So when you push through, it's going to show the position, email, phone, mobile, fax, all these different characteristics of the page here. And what a good practice is to, if you're going to use this function and list, if you have a lot of contact categories that need to be organized and presented to users in such a way that they're going to need to navigate through them, this is a good way to do it, and make sure that when you if you change any of these settings, that you go over, click save, open up another tab, go refresh your page that it's on, and see what it looks like, and make sure at the end of the day it fits your design and layout of your site. Obviously, you got the contact display options. This is for the individual contacts. These will override globals. You've got the mail options. You're going to show the form, send copy to the submitter, the banned emails. Again, these are email addresses not allowed to submit to the form. Banned subject lines, banned text. You've got a session check for cookies. This means that the users without cookies enabled will not be able to send emails. You can override that here as well. There's a custom reply function that deals with third-party plugins and whatnot. And there's a contact redirect. This is an alternative URL where the user will be redirected after the mail is sent. And we have integration options. You can show a feed link or not. The link type options. Link title attribute is for the menu link. If you want to put something in here. Link CSS style and link image within the menu. And the add menu title, again, works similar as all the other links when we add a link to a menu. And you have page display options. Again, on these dynamically generated pages, make sure you have custom title tags. And if you're going to show the page heading, it's going to become the H1 tag on your page. So make sure that you put in potentially a keyword up here as well, and in the title tag. And this is where you put in the page heading. And then if you have any additional CSS classes that you want to apply to this page for custom styling, you can do that. You need to make sure you put those in the template.css file. There's a video showing you how to do that as well. And then the metadata options. Every page on your website should have a custom description tag and keywords as well. Then we have our robot settings and our secure settings, whether or not we need to ignore SSL. If you're not sure, then just leave it to ignore. And you may or may not see these fusion menu and split menu and the module assignments, so we'll ignore those right now. On the top right, we've got save, save and close, save and new, and cancel, and those operate in much the same way they do throughout Joomla. So I hope that helped. Thanks.